Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am going to do a product spotlight on the brand Living Proof. This video is not sponsored, but basically I had a really bad experience with bleaching my hair, and Living Proof saved my hair like 100%. So I wanted to put this video together for anybody that has dry, damaged hair. You'll definitely find it helpful. So I'm just going to skim through the products that I use on a regular basis, and all of these products I have bought by myself. I have not been sent these. So yeah. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and I have all my products that I've purchased myself right here that I'm going to kind of show you in order that I use. So I have really dry, damaged hair from bleaching it, and so I prefer their purple line. Anything from their purple line is restoring. So I use every day, and I just have my samples here instead of taking the nasty ones out of my shower. But the Restore shampoo and conditioner, I got these from the 500 point perk thing from Sephora. So I use this every time I wash my hair, about once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on how my hair feels. I like to use their Restore mask treatment. So this is what it looks like. I have the big jar in my shower, and that also came with the 500 point perk thing, and so did a little mini leave-in treatment. So basically, like, here's my little story about how I found Living Proof. I have my beauty certificates, licensing and stuff like that, so I can shop at beauty suppliers. So I rarely buy products when I go to get my hair done. And so my hair was like, it was so bad. It was like, it had literally melted. I've heard of this shit happening to people before. It never happened to me. I didn't believe it could happen. And so literally my hair was like, it was like spaghetti. I thought I was going to go bald. It was so bad. So I made a couple appointments at different places to try and fix it. It was basically like orange and pink, and it was supposed to be like bleach blonde. It was so bad. So I found this one place, and I drove like 8 hours to get there to get my hair done. And the girl kept trying to push the in-house salon products on me, and I was like not into it at all. And it was Living Proof. So anyways, I was not into it at all. And then she colored my hair, like retoned and my hair or whatever, and I thought it was just gonna make everything worse, and it didn't. And when she put in the hair mask, she's like, oh, we usually don't do this, but I'm gonna do it for you. And I thought, oh, whatever. It was like night and day, man. I seriously credit my hair being saved to Living Proof. Like, this, I'm not sponsored. This is just 100%, even if I hope to be sponsored by them one day, but I absolutely swear that Living Proof saved my hair. I'm not kidding. I mean, maybe other people would have different results with it, but this is like the hair routine that I go through every day. And my hair is not in amazing condition. I know that, but if you would have saw where it was, like, I swear by this line. So I'll wash it. I'll use the deep conditioning treatment, and then every single time I wash my hair, I use the Restore perfecting spray. And this is just how I use the products. So I use this as a leave-in treatment. Just basically says on clean damp hair, spray roots, focus on the ends. It's a leave-in treatment. It has UV protection in it. Nothing in my hair yet, so I'm gonna just spray. This is how I would do it normally. Just kind of spray everywhere, and then I take a comb, and I usually use a wide tooth comb, but so I just, after it's been already combed through so there's no tangles, just distributes the product a little better. It's my ends that are the worst, and then some of the stuff right here. So then the next thing that I do is I use their instant repair, and so it looks like this. It says it's a lightweight lotion that makes hair 15 times stronger with one use and prevents up to 93% of new split ends. So you use a dime size amount to damp hair, focusing on the end. So this is what I do. I usually do 2 pumps. So it says dime size. But the good news about that is, when you use all this stuff in your hair and your hair feels like weighed down and disgusting, that's not how it is. If it says dime size and I use 2 big pumps and I put some right here, that just tells you it doesn't make your hair greasy and it doesn't feel like there's a lot of product in your hair. So that's really nice. And then, so I just make sure to really work it into the ends. And then another thing I do right after is I go to this guy here, and this is the Restore Instant Protection. And it's a weightless heat and UV protection. A lot of people skip this step, but I just think, especially when you have bleached hair in the summertime, the UV rays outside can be damaging to your hair. Plus, I try and always air dry my hair, but I use a flat iron or a curling iron on it. So this shields your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and provides 24-hour UV protection. So I just kind of spray, you know, a little bit everywhere. It smells super good and it doesn't feel like I'm adding more product with that one. So those three I use in conjunction every time I wash my hair. New guy that I just picked up, I got a little sample from Sephora, and I'm the kind of person, I don't like a lot of shit in my hair. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, okay, you know, didn't really think much of it, but it is the Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. And it says it has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it cuts down on blow drying time. So when the first time I tried this out, still always use this no matter what, the leave-in treatment. I didn't use the other two. I used just this, but I'm going to put this in my hair even though I've used all of that stuff. The living proof stuff, it does not gunk up your hair. Like, it's, I don't know, man, it's just crazy stuff. So it says spread 2 pumps in hands and apply to clean, damp, sectioned hair, avoiding roots. So what I did is, when, like, this is just how I do it. I did 2 little pumps. You don't need much of this stuff at all. And just from the hair underneath the ears, I just worked it down there and really on my disgusting dead ass roots. So now I've used 4 products in my hair, which normally, like, if I go to the hairdresser and she starts putting shit in my hair, I'm like, don't you dare. You'll see how this works in the end. So a few more products to talk about from them that I've purchased is, so this is from like the gray line, and the gray line is just for, I think it's for just like regular hair for all, like, you know, all hair types. So this one is a 5-in-1 styling treatment. I don't use this one often just because I love the line that I have. So this one says apply to damp hair and blow dry, and it's a 5-in-1 styling treatment. So it's for smoothness, volume, conditioning, strength, and polish. So I do like this one. Like I said, I don't use it often. This one here is the in-shower styler. I don't have a lot to say about this one because since I purchased it, I think I've only used it once, but it says apply it. No, I haven't even used it, I don't think. Or maybe I used it incorrectly because I didn't apply it in the shower. But it says apply in shower to clean wet hair. So I've never used this. Generously coat from root to ends, rinse lightly, towel dry, scrunch, and air dry. I'm not big into products that you put in your hair with the intention to air dry just because my hair is so damaged. But so that's another one I need to try out from them. Then I have their Fresh Cut Split End Mender. It says it's a split end treatment. I have used this just a few times, but you focus on the ends of your hair and it's supposed to mend your split ends. I mean, obviously that's a pretty crazy claim because your split ends, your hair's already dead, but it definitely just seals them in and prevents further splitting. And then there's I have a big bottle of this. I don't know where, but it's the Nightcap Overnight Protector. And it says apply to damp or dry hair before bed from root to ends. Comb through, leave in or wash out in the morning. Fast absorbing, pillow safe. This one is their Prime Style Extender. So it says basically if you use this, it locks your style in for longer. So I know I went through this stuff like really quickly and I didn't go too much into detail, but my whole point about this video is if you guys have never tried Living Proof and you have dry or damaged hair, I highly recommend the purple line. I have my Ebates link. You can purchase this. I know I purchased this line from Sephora. So because it is their VIB sale right now, if you go through my Ebates account, if you don't have an account already and set up, you can get money back that way. I would really appreciate it. But if not, I really hope you guys give their line a look. It is absolutely incredibly amazing. So